Hello guys, and welcome to a new and exciting episode on the Herald 234. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use some mobile applications that do not work on your Huawei mobile device. So this phone I am using right now is a Huawei Nova Y70. So we know Google services do not work on our mobile devices anymore, I mean for the Huawei users, and there's a way that you can launch every application that is not working properly on your mobile phone. So the first thing you are going to do is to go to the app gallery on your Huawei mobile device and search for G Space. Now when this application is found, all you have to do is to install, and as I have already installed, you can see I have the open button showing. When you open this application, it's like a second interface on your Huawei mobile device, which allows you to use every application. Now the Google services would work on this G Space. Now if you need to download anything, you can just click on any of the application. It will redirect you to the Play Store. So as soon as you open your G Space, you have to sign up with your Google account, which will allow you to install every application on the G Space. Now using the same example, this is my Pi application, which does not work on my Huawei mobile device. So when I open this Pi application, all it does is load in this form and it does not open. It stays like this forever. If you have no idea about Pi, I want you to go to my playlist and you can check about this and also earn money with me. Now when I move to G Space, I just have to click on the plus sign button down below here. Then all the application on my Huawei mobile device is going to show. So I'm just going to select the applications which I need to run, or the application which are not running properly, and when it is added, it's going to clone that particular app on the G Space app. So when I open my Pi application, within the next few seconds the application would open. So this works for every mobile application that finds it difficult to run on your Huawei mobile device. I hope you find this video very informative. Please remember to subscribe, like and share to your friends because you might be helping them as well. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.